Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put Pakistan and Pakistan-supported terrorists on notice. He has underscored the paradigm shift in India's doctrine on terrorism that he announced last night. The Prime Minister has warned terror groups and terrorists that India's armed forces will launch formidable counterattacks if faced with a repeat of the Pahalgam terror attack. The Prime Minister delivered his forceful message from the tarmac at the Adampur Air Force Base in Punjab with Rafale jets and S-400 air defense systems in the background.
बीएसएफ के अपने शूरवीरों को सैल्यूट करता हूं।
He lauded the Indian Armed Forces for conducting precision strikes deep inside Pakistan. This is what he said.
पाकिस्तान में ऐसा कोई ठिकाना नहीं है जहां बैठकर आतंकवादी चैन की सांस ले सके। हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे और बचने का एक मौका तक नहीं देंगे। पाकिस्तान की गुहार के बाद भारत ने सिर्फ अपनी सैन्य कार्रवाई को स्थगित किया है। अगर पाकिस्तान ने फिर से आतंकी गतिविधि या सैन्य दुस्साहस दिखाया तो हम उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देंगे। जब हमारी फौजें न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल की धमकी की हवा निकाल देती है तो आकाश से पाताल तक एक ही बात गूंजती है, भारत माता की जय। पाकिस्तान में आतंकी ठिकानों और उनके एयरबेस ही तबाह नहीं हुए, बल्कि उनके नापाक इरादे और उनके दुस्साहस दोनों की हार हुई है। हमारे एयरबेस हो या फिर हमारे दूसरे डिफेंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इन पर आंच तक नहीं आई और इसका श्रेय आप सभी को जाता है।
Now, following the success of Operation Sindhu, the ruling party BJP flagged a 10-day-long Tiranga Yatra. Through the Tiranga rally, BJP intends to showcase the bravery of the armed forces while connecting with citizens across India.
इंडियन सोल्जर ऐसा इंडियन सोल्जर गई थी तो इसलिए आज बहुत गर्व का विषय है कि आज जो
It's a day to celebrate India's victory. India has given a befitting reply to Pakistan. We salute our armed forces. As you can see, the youth is extremely proud of our armed forces. Everyone must come here and salute our forces.
हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं तो हमें एक गर्व का विषय होना चाहिए आज।
Scheduled to run until 23rd of May, the Tiranga Yatra aims to ignite a wave of patriotism and national unity across India. The rally will include bike rallies, public gatherings, flag hoisting ceremonies and outreach activities in towns and cities nationwide.
I'm here at Kartavya Path, which is the center of Delhi, and many people have come here at a time when India has got a decisive victory over the terrorists in Pakistan, and of course India responded strongly to the attacks by the Pakistani military as well. You can see around me celebrations happening with a lot of presence of other forces as well, and they are carrying placards as well. Totally celebratory mood. आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी?
नहीं भैया,
आप ऐसे कुछ बोलना चाहेगा?
हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद।
So they're quite happy about this development, and you can see a lot of commotion as well, but a lot of celebration as well on expected lines, given the fact that how people have been thronging this place to be part of this celebration that is taking place. Many of them carrying placards of the Operation Sindoor, many of them carrying the flags as well, and a lot of security presence as well here at the Kartavya Path at a time when we know that the Indian Prime Minister has already addressed and put up a new Pakistan policy that basically says that if there's a terror attack from Pakistan, India will respond back. With video journalist Piyush Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.